Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to soft reset your Moto Razr if the screen freezes. If your touchscreen is freezing or not working properly, if you notice that it's glitching or you're even stuck in an app, this is a quick command you can do that will basically force restart the phone and usually fix any software related issues you have. So let's talk about how to do it. It's super easy. You're going to hold down on the power button and the volume down button until the phone restarts. Here's what the process looks like. Power, volume down. Now I'm going to hold them at the same time. Let's do it together. Power, volume down. 1, 2, 3, hold. Now it is going to trigger a screenshot, and don't worry about that. Just continue to hold those two buttons. It usually will take about 10 to 15 seconds for the screen to shut off. Oh, there it is. As soon as it shuts off, let go of those two buttons and give the phone about 30 seconds to a minute for it to basically restart. And usually if there is a software related bug or issue, this will fix the problem. However, if this doesn't fix the problem and you notice your touchscreen is still glitching or not working properly, you might have a hardware issue, and in which case you may want to find a local cell phone repair shop to bring your phone into that can actually look at the phone and diagnose it to see if it is hardware related. If you have any type of cracks or major dents in the phone screen, then that could be also a part of the cause. This primarily will fix software related issues. It won't fix hardware issues. So this should work for most folks. However, if you're still having issues, take it to your cell phone repair shop, have them diagnose it, and give you a quote to repair. If you got value out of this video, make sure you bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.